Every day, millions of people in Makati face the harsh realities of urban life, congestion, pollution, and limited green spaces. But this isn't just a Makati problem, it's a problem faced by cities around the world.
Urbanization is inevitable, but what happens when cities grow faster than their ability to provide for their residents? The truth is, if we don't act now, our cities will become unsustainable, and the cost will be our future.
Across the world, cities are suffocating under their own weight. Pollution, overcrowding, and lack of green spaces are just the beginning.
The situation is urgent. Our climate is changing, and cities are ground zero for the effects. We are already feeling the pressure, more intense storms, rising temperatures, and the ever-growing demand for resources.
But there's still hope. We can turn things around. Cities around the world are proving that change is possible. Take Copenhagen, for example. They've created a transportation system where over 40% of the population commutes by bike, drastically cutting down emissions and reducing traffic.
And Singapore is setting the standard for green buildings, integrating nature with urban infrastructure. They've created urban parks on rooftops and vertical gardens, making their city more sustainable even as it grows.
These cities are showing us that sustainability doesn't just benefit the environment, it benefits the people who live there. They're cleaner, healthier, and more resilient.
Makati is taking its first steps towards sustainability. From green spaces like Ayala Triangle Gardens to more bike lanes, the city is slowly transforming into a model for others to follow.
But we need to do more. It's not enough to have a few parks or bike lanes. We need to rethink how we live in cities, and we need solutions that will protect our future, not just today. Sustainability starts with small actions that anyone can do. For example, bring your own reusable bag, bottle, or container reduces plastic waste every day.
Or something as simple as planting a small herb or succulent in your space. Imagine if every balcony or window in Makati had greenery. It would transform the city.
And don't forget walking or biking instead of driving for short distances. Every step counts.
If we all commit to actions like turning off unused lights or recycling, the combined impact would be enormous. Small steps leads to big changes.
To make this movement stronger, we've started a social media campaign. Follow us on Instagram at Sustainable Makati, where we share tips and updates on how you can live more sustainably.
And join our hashtag Sustainable Makati Challenge. Post your sustainable actions and tag us. Let's inspire each other to create a greener, healthier Makati, one step at a time.
This isn't just a campaign, it's a movement. Your small actions can inspire big change.
The question is, what kind of future do we want? One where cities are suffocated by pollution and overcrowding, or one where we live in harmony with nature?
We have the power to make cities like Makati and every city sustainable for everyone. Let's create a world where people and nature thrive together.
Let's act now, not just for ourselves, but for the future generations. A sustainable future starts today. Together, we can make a difference.